Allah and His Messenger say that their houses are better for them if it is recommended, or if a woman may only leave the house out of necessity. What are the conditions that should be present for her to pursue a career? Well, again, here we have to look at those women who understood the Quran and the Hadith better than we ever will, who were the Ummahat al-Mu'mineen, the female companions of the Prophet. And we see that, of course, the house was their base camp and their sanctuary, but nonetheless their understanding of the Sunnah meant that they could teach in the mosque, that Sayyidina Omar, for instance, appointed a woman to be the market inspector in Medina. Women could trade. This is valid in Sharia. And I don't think one can generalize about what women should do now, except to point out that the house does not mean a suburban detached house in some Miami suburb. A house, according to the way in which Muslims would traditionally read a hadith like this, in the time of the Salaf and subsequently, would mean a bait with dozens of people living in it and an entire social life present. But for a woman just to stay at home with only the cat and the telephone for company, that's not the Sunnah, that's not what the hadith is recommending. That's zulm, injustice.